Hello, today we're going to have a quick walk round on this Francis Barnett Falcon 200. It's a 1953 model, Villiers 200cc, well 198 I think it is, 2-stroke. Very noisy on the exhaust. I don't know if we're going to take it for a ride or not. If we can get it to run right, perhaps we might. But somebody spent a bit of money on it. It's really noisy exhaust. I suppose it's been restored at some time. But it looks really nice. It's heavy, but then it's made of metal and not plastic like your Japanese stuff. It looks really nice. Got your ribbed front tyre. Actually, Harley Davidson was going like this on the sports, don't they? The front and back wheels are the same size, and I do like the look of them actually. If you look at it from afar, it sort of equals it up somehow. I don't know why they decided to start having different size wheels on the front and everything. Well, it handles better, I know, but that just looks so nice. Let's see if we can start it up. Charlie did say it was rather loud. I'm going to attempt to kick it over myself. Just tiggle the car. Just press the bowl down so it floods the carburetor, you see. So you're basically doing, letting loads of fuel in, pushing the bowl down so it fills up with fuel. It's coming out. The old thing. The car definitely needs sorting out. Bit of history though, isn't it? I like the horn. Well, the ride out was a little bit of a disaster really. It's not running right. Yeah, it needs a good carb clean at least, but it's all functioning. The brakes are non-existent. I mean, you're not going to be racing about anywhere, but you know, there's a bit of history and a bit of fun. There's nothing the matter with it. Thanks for watching.